Actually, you have the people, then you have the process, and the culmination of people and process should lead to a good product coming out, actually.
Simply put, it is localization. That's a big thing. Whether it's design, whether it is use, whether it is remodifications, it needs to happen locally, and that's one of the strategic directions we have taken. The other obviously would be to strengthen the core competence. Another important area which I believe is going to be a huge success factor is collaboration, and collaboration with academia and research institutes, and we believe that's a game changer for us in India.
When I say this, there is a definite investment in R&D which is happening in all our companies today, which is, let's say, India for India, India for APAC kind of a market where it's more relevant, where we are developing actually customized products for this market. Very clearly there is a shift where the center of excellence, where the R&D was there in the headquarters, is slowly moving here, and there's a clear realization that we need to participate because we know the markets, here.
It's, I think, a very good development what we are hearing, the involvement of the Indian entity in more and more global projects happening.